Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, December 6th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a pretty good day today, surprisingly. Um, well, really isn't surprising considering what the Dow did. Good job support, report out again today. It's just keep adding more and more jobs. This report exceeded expectations, and so the Dow just shook off any concerns about this trade stuff and took off like a bird. Um, the Dow gapped up and kept going, closing near its high today, up officially 337 points. Now that's puts it. Show you the long chart here. This is the long view, and I hope you can see this here. Uh, we're within 200 points of taking out our all-time record high. We're above 28,000 again on the close today. So, 200 points, that's nothing. We could do that on Monday. So I just say once again, this is a roaring bull market. It's not going to sell off, folks. And as I said, also, we survived this last uh, relatively small sell-off in great shape. We even may have made some money, and we make money on the upswings. And we made money today, not as much as I would like to, but we'll see what happens Monday. That's going to be when the real test. Can we make the big money? Okay, we were down over $9,000 in our open trade equity yesterday. Didn't look good. We improved that quite a bit. We closed out negative 5,900, but we carried one of those positions that was worth $4,000. So if we had closed out that position that we carried, we would have had less than a $2,000 loss today. And so we went from like negative 9,000 to the equivalent of negative 2,000. So we improved our open trade positions on closeout considerably. But what's even better news is we got into 20 positions. Yeah, 20 positions. That's a lot of positions. 14 positive, only 6 are negative, and we're carrying positive $12,000 over the weekend and going into Monday. Now, it's always a little scary to be carrying 20 positions over a weekend because, you can get news that breaks out over the weekend that can affect the open, and we would not want a big downturn on Monday. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's far more likely that we'll get a neutral to positive opening on Monday, and that could drive this $12,000, up to 20 or more. So we'll just knock on wood and hope for the best. I'll show you 3 of our positions today. We didn't have anything huge at all, but we had a lot of solid little stuff. This is one of them. This is MNTA, which is Momenta Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. MNTA and that jumped up here this morning. We grabbed it right after the open. It kept going, closed there near its high, and we're up $1,700 in Momenta Pharmaceuticals. And then this is JDST. This is the gold mining bear. We've been trading gold from the long side for quite a few weeks now and doing pretty well, but my studies show we needed to start trading it from the short side occasionally, and we it gapped up this morning. We took the gap and it kept moving there, closed almost on its high, and we are holding again positive $1,700 in JDST, the gold mining bear. And then finally, this is the big trade, and this was the one I was talking about that we were carrying from those bad trades that we had yesterday. And this is CPA, or Callon Petroleum Company. And we had bought this thing yesterday on a re-entry, and then it had gone against us. So this was a negative trade on the close yesterday. This morning it just exploded so strongly that we stay in it, and we held it all the way to the close here, which is pretty darn near the high, and we're holding positive $4,000 in Callon Petroleum Company. Looks real good. So we put that all together. We got $12,000 in open trade profit, and let's hope for a good open on Monday. You guys have a fantastic weekend. I'm going to have a nice weekend, and I will be back here on Monday trading as usual.